Welcome students in our today's session. In our today's lecture, we will talk about an essay entitled Of Studies written by Francis Bacon. And I have divided this essay, this text actually in two sessions or two sections we can say. Okay, before moving ahead the text of this essay, we will have a brief introduction or a talk on our today's author, who is Lord Francis Lord Bacon. So let's have a discussion on our today's author, Lord Bacon, who was considered the father of English essays. He was born at London on the 22nd January in 1561. He was actually William Shakespeare's contemporary. His father, Sir Nicholas Bacon, was Lord Keeper of the Great Seal. He studied law, but his heart always yearned for literature, science, and philosophy. At the age of 20, he thought of the parliament. With the help of Burghley, he was able to secure a seat in the House of Commons as a member for Malcolm Regis. Very soon he became famous in the House. There are few names that shine with greater brilliance than Francis Bacon's in the literary and scientific world. His early work of importance was the essays, from which his famous essay Of Studies has been taken, and Bacon's fame in world literature actually rests mainly on his essays, which were first published in 1597. His style is terse and epigrammatical. His essays cover a wide field and convey profound thoughts. Each sentence of his essays stands by itself and is the concentrated expression of witty thought. His major works include The Advancement of Learning, Novum Organum, New Atlantis, and The History of Henry VII. These are some of his famous works. And now let's have a brief introduction, or we can say the summary of our today's essay, that is Of Studies. Actually, this essay deals with the use, abuse, and results of studies. Bacon opens the essay by stating the three uses of studies in life. Firstly, that they serve for delight. Secondly, they refine and ornament us. And thirdly, they improve our ability. So in this essay, Bacon has actually described about three different types of uses of studies in individual's life. After that, he further adds that books are our best companions when lonely and retired. Bacon also throws light on the manner in which one should study and gain the most out of it. He says that the purpose of reading should be a careful analysis of the matter. In Bacon's views, different ways should be adopted to read different types of books. So he also has suggested different kinds of books and the purpose of reading of these books. Some books should be read partly and some quickly. Then there are some that should be read with concentration. The study of varied subjects affects human mind and personality in different ways. The study of history, likewise, he also has given some of examples. The study of history makes humans wise, and the study of poetry makes them witty. Mathematics makes them keen and analytical. Philosophy makes them think deeply, leading to seriousness, and rhetoric make them argumentative, and likewise. So in this essay, he has talked about various things, particularly on studies, like the use of studies and the defects of excess of studies. He has also talked about man with his relations to studies, the correct views of studies. He has also talked about the classification of books, distilled books, and studies with relation to man's perfection. He has also talked about different branches of knowledge and their utility, and how studies can remedy man's defects. So all these things we will discuss in the text of our today's in essay. And to understand more, we will read the text of this essay. In our next session, we will discuss in detail the text of this essay. Thank you, students.